Say, it's okay, Kaya.
It's okay, Kaya.
That's for the baby doll. It's okay. You're doing good, Raina.
Can you have it?
What a good big brother.
Oh, that's very nice, Micah.
Kind of tricky getting in there till she learns how to suck on it. Give her another kiss.
Give another kiss.
Say, it's okay, Kaya.
Kisses. One more kiss?
Can you say, I love you, Kaya? Hmm.
Can you put that in her mouth?
Very good, Micah. Very good. It's a pacifier. She's looking right at you, Micah. You're her big brother. Is that your baby sister? You gotta hold her tight, Micah. Put your arms on her and make sure she doesn't fall. Look at her tiny hands. See her tiny hands?